What is a screen reader? Screen readers communicate with the computer's operating system to read aloud the digital content on the screen. People who can't see the screen will likely use a keyboard to navigate.
Icon of an eye labeled blindness and low vision displays.
Users with reading disabilities, such as dyslexia, or non-native speakers may rely on screen readers.
Icon of a brain labeled cognitive disabilities displays.
Chronic fatigue, migraines, and brain injuries are other invisible disabilities that may cause discomfort for people trying to focus on reading information from a monitor.
Badge that states not all disabilities are visible.
Or users may just prefer to listen rather than read. To create an accessible environment for a screen reader, the designer must consider how the page is organized. This includes reading and tab order for on-screen text, alternate text for graphics, and instructions for interactive elements.
Screen with the smoking and tobacco use website displayed.
CDC logo link graphic.
CDC logo link graphic highlighted. User tabs through the page as the text and interactive elements are highlighted.
Smoking and tobacco use link. Search type of text.
Notice that all interactive elements are available using the keyboard and have clear instructions.
Submit button to activate. Press enter. Main content areas, main regions, date fact sheet, heading level 1.
Content should be organized with visual headings that are also programmed as headings.
Print this page. National Tobacco Control Program left parent NTCP right parent link. State fact sheets are available for all 50 states and the District of Columbia. Fact sheets by state, heading level 1.
What happens when we get to a complex graphic? You will find that there are multiple paths to accessibility. It may be sufficient to just add alternate text.
Screen displays a color-coded U.S. map with a legend.
U.S. map showing distribution of money received from CDC for tobacco prevention that shows shire concentrations in California, Texas, Florida, and New York.
Perhaps the intended audience would like the option to view the information in table format so they can navigate to specific data.
Skip to table view.
User accesses table format of the data.
Table 1, column 1, date, column header. Received from CDC, column header. State, Alabama. Received from CDC, 1.5.
Sighted users can see the color coding, and mouse users can roll over the states to interact.
User rolls over Texas to see that it is interactive.
To ensure that all users have access to the same information, create an interface element that supports keyboard access.
A drop-down menu appears on the screen and the user navigates the list to find the data for California.
Date combo box. List with 51 items. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alabama, Alaska, Arkansas, Arizona, California. Enter.
A well-designed page results in a better experience for all users. To learn more about designing digital content for accessibility and resources available, please visit OCIO's Accessibility at CDC intranet site.